Hi everyone, very welcome back to my channel. A happy and safe Diwali to you and your family. So I hope you all are doing well. Now today's video I am about to show you some amazing makeup products that I really love using right now, and I am actually using them. And if you want to know how I did this makeup look in detail, then do check the description box. I have the links provided there. So let's start on with the video. First thing that I absolutely love right now, it's the Glam makeup blender. It is easily available on Amazon. I got it off from Amazon. So this is how the dry beauty blender looks like, and once you damp it, so this is the size difference that you can spot after you damp your beauty blender. Now I absolutely love using this beauty blender because this blends your makeup so amazingly, and I must say the suction power of this beauty blender is much less than other local beauty blenders, because I feel like when I was blending my foundation using this, it barely sucked any product. Like, it's very soft. It like you can easily blend your makeup using this beauty blender. For the larger areas of your face like your forehead, your cheeks, you must go with this side, and whenever you are blending your makeup under your eyes or around your mouth, then you must go with the tip of this beauty blender. And all over, I don't really find anything that's not okay about this beauty blender. So I must say, if you are looking for a beauty blender, then this is your holy grail. Now the beauty blender comes in this kind of a packaging. The beauty blender was placed here, and this is how it looks. And the packaging is really kind of expensive looking, and the price that is printed on the package is $320, and I got it for something around $200. So the next product must be a foundation. So it is the Insight Ultra Thin Second Skin Long Wear Foundation, and I must say, this foundation, I can't stop complimenting this foundation because this is one of the best skin tint, I must say, like the most affordable. It costs only 170 rupees, and I absolutely love the consistency of, though the dropper is not very much appreciated, like it barely works, but the formulation of this product is so cool. It's so great. Like, you can wear it as a BB cream on an everyday basis, like I'm wearing it right now, and I don't really feel like I'm wearing something heavy or like something called foundation on my face. And I must say, if you're looking for any kind of skin tint or a everyday wear foundation, or you like makeup but you don't really like to put on a medium coverage foundation, the only thing that hits me is that it's shade range, and I absolutely don't like this shade range. Like, this is I have this in the shade 03 Sun Beige. Yes, and I think it's okay for me because I do have a very light to medium skin, but for the Indian skin tones or the dusky ones might face problem with this, because the shades available in this range is not really made for dusky skin tones. Now moving on to concealer, I have the Swiss Beauty concealer, and I don't really remember my shade. It's on the screen. I have seen a lot of influencers talking about this concealer, and this is actually one of my old purchase, but I never used it because, like, I don't know why, but I just kept it there and I never used it. I'm always with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but then after seeing, like, I don't know, it was all of a sudden that that every video I was seeing was the concealer that each of these YouTubers or influencers using was this one. So I thought that let's try it out, and since then I am loving this concealer. The shade I have is 04, and I absolutely love using this concealer. And I must say, if you are looking for a very sasta kind of a concealer, then this is something that you need in your makeup closet. Now the next product that I'll be talking about is from SFR. It's their contour palette, and it has a bronzer, 2 blush and a highlighter. Now I absolutely love these three, like the blush and the bronzer, but the highlighter is kind of weird for me. Like, it's kind of a powder rather than a highlighter. Like, if you see, it's more of a powder than a highlighter. Let me swatch it. I don't really find it a highlighter, rather I just found it as a white powder. but though it has some sheen particles, but I don't really like using it. But this three, the blush and the bronzer, are my absolute favorite. Like these two blush colors, I generally mix them together and wear it. Like I use this palette as my everyday basis because this is obviously affordable, and the blush color really complements my skin tone. And the great thing is I generally mix these two, but if you are someone with a dusky skin tone, this shade is like meant for you. If you're someone with a fair or a medium skin tone, this shade is also made for you. Now this palette also has different shades. The description for every single product is in your description box, so if you want, you may directly check it out. Now let me just swatch the blush for you guys. And first color looks like look how pigmented it is. This is how the second color looks like. The lighter blush, which I recommend for the fair skin tones. Now this is how the bronzer looks like. I know it's not that very visible through the camera, but if you are looking for an all-in-one, then you must get it. But I can't really promise you about the highlighter because I don't really like using the highlighter. So this palette is a yes from my side. Now moving on, I got a very amazing product for brows. So I generally like to use a pomade for my brows, but there are some days when I don't have time, so I just like brush through my eyebrows and leave. So for that I have this Wet n Wild Mega Clear Eyebrow Gel, and it's a transparent gel. Like whenever I don't have time, I just brush through my brows using this gel, which basically holds my brows, and like this does the job that soap brows would usually do. I absolutely love using this. I keep this in my bag like whenever I'm out or I'm at the gym, and after completing my workout or I just want to do a little bit of touch up, then I just put it into my brows and like they are in shape again. If you're someone who likes to keep their brows in shape, like intact, then you must get this. Now to set your face, I discovered this Insight Banana Loose powder, and I guess it's in the shade Light Banana. It has two shades, like a banana and a light banana. So the light banana is for fair to medium skin tones, and the banana shade is for the dusky skin tones. So I got the shade Light Banana, and it costs only 170 rupees, and you get 40 grams of product. This, like after you apply it on your face, it just looks like your face has been filtered. It just blurs out everything. It just blurs out your texture. Your under eyes look so smooth, like as you can see, except my acne, my under eyes look so flawless. Like even in the mirror, like whenever I'm seeing it myself, my under eyes look really flawless. Is like a dupe or better than the Revolution Pro banana powder, which costs around 600 rupees, and you get this only for 150. So if you want a loose powder, then this might be the one you need. Now moving on to highlighter, I have this Swiss Beauty highlighter, and it's in the shade 01. I absolutely love this highlighter. I saw this highlighter first on Sharmili Chakraborty's YouTube channel. I saw her using it, and that's when I thought of getting this. I'm wearing it on my face right now, and I must say it doesn't look that fakey or very sparkly, those chunky glitter particles. Not at all. Very finely melted, and like it's like butter. See, you can barely see any glitter particles. It gives that shine to your face, and I must say this is a great product by Swiss Beauty, and it only costs 250 rupees. So if you're looking for an affordable highlighter, then just close your eyes and just order this for yourself. This is like for everyone. Shades are available. Moving on to the very last product of today's video is lip products, and that is from Miss Claire. It's the Miss Claire lip liner and the Insight gloss. I'm wearing both of these now on my lips. So I outlined my lips using the Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Coffee Brown. It cost only 65 rupees. Now as you can see, let me swatch it for you guys. Now this shade is kind of a maroonish brown kind of a shade, which I absolutely love. I can say it's a dupe for the Wet n Wild Chestnut, which I also have, and this is only for 65 rupees. So if you're looking for a lip liner, this can be the one lip liner you need in your life. If you want, you can wear nude, you can wear bold lip colors and anything. So this is something you'll love, and the formulation it's very creamy, and like see, it just blends easily, so it's not a tough job applying it on your lip. And the Inside Long Wear color rich lip gloss. Now this only costs 81 rupees. Yes, and I have this in the shade 13 Temptation. I also have another shade, it's a very red kind of a shade. So I also have it in the shade 12 Flashy. Now let me just give a swatch for these two. This color that I'll be swatching is 12 Flashy, and this is how the gloss looks. It's a very reddish kind of a gloss. And then the gloss that I'm wearing today is 13 Temptation. It's a brown color gloss. Both are my favorite. This is for like events or something, and this is like something I'd pick on every day. So yes, so that is all for today guys. Hope you guys find this video helpful, and do let me know in the comments which product you like the most and you are looking forward to buy. So I'll try coming up with more such videos. Take care and bye.